Hello everyone, so today I am going to show you how to use Replit.com in your browser. So just choose your favorite browser. I'm using Chrome and I'm going to search Replit.com. Just hit enter. So we have here. So Replit.com is a good tool for learning coding. The user interface is nice and I really like the auto formatting feature of color coding keywords such as methods and attributes. My favorite feature though is the free web hosting. Well, the question is, do you have to pay for Replit? Replit is a free to use, though there are some limitations. Programs can only be 2 MB in size and you can only store 1 gigabyte of files on your Replit account. Public schools and nonprofits can also apply for a free Replit account and allows users to have 100 MB programs and 10 gigabytes of file storage. Now, to use Replit, all you need to do is to sign up and just choose your account that you want to use. So I want to use my Google. So when you successfully log in, you will see a lot of features to do with Replit and you don't have to worry about it. Let's jump in and start our first project with Replit. You will see the Create Replit navigation on the left side upper corner of your screen and just click it. Now, there's a lot of options for languages you want to use, but I want to use the Node.js because I will be using JavaScript. So I will just click Node.js and then just name your project. Rock. Oops, little mistake. Just good to go. And then in the body, I'm going to say H1 and just say hello sequence. And then now I want to locate or to route my index.js. It's empty, but I want to store some data. I want to store some lines of codes for the Fibonacci. So I want to locate it from here in my HTML file. So I will write, it's JavaScript guys. Script is RC or source. And our JavaScript file is JS, index.js. So you're just going to index.js. So whatever inside of the rest my Fibonacci code, let J2 and for example sorry is equal method here because this is a Fibonacci, so I'm just equals to 1 I plus plus, forget that, then open and close bracket, and let's answer A1 plus J2, of course, J2 J1 equals to J2 yeah, J2 answer. Then the console.log, let's call it equals to answer. Oh, sorry about that. Plus J2 is semicolon. Don't forget the console.log. Let's say, no. Oops, it's not. This is Summation. Just save it and then run. Let's hope for the best. Okay, here we go. So we have the Fibonacci sequence 1 1 because 1 1 plus 2 is 3 5 8 13. 21. The sum is 68. So yeah, it's a simple IDE which works on your browser, and it's very, very nice. I like the color, guys, and it's very, very comfortable to use, just like the normal IDE that you install on your computer. So again, don't forget, guys, if you're going to start a project, just add file and then index.html. So you will have your folder, example index.blade.php. There you have your PHP file. You can explore here in replit.com. So thank you, guys.